So we're testing some new He's over here. Let me try to bring him back. Here you go, little birdie. Come here. You just let her here. He comes here. Come here one more time. Try again. Try again. Wait, no, you come here. Try again. Go on top of it.
Yo, what is that?
It's a monkey. What do you think it is?
So what?
It's a monkey.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Can I talk?
Why can't I make him go on this? I'm sure she can. Go ahead. Jump. Jump. One more time. Jump. Jump. Yeah. Get on. Get on. Nope. He sucks. How about here? One more time. Get on. Alright. Now it's right. Fucking this thing is in my ass. Okay. So I don't know what we'll do with this bird. I actually have another bird. I have another bird right here. I don't know what we'll do with it. The white one is harder to control. For some reason, the blue one's easy to control. And this guy. Are you in Guam? What the hell are you doing in Guam? Yeah. Yeah, look at it. It's so pretty. This is what we'll try.
Can you tell your bird to say something?
Hey, it's Mordecai.
It is Mordecai.
You guys have Discord?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell your bird to say something? Oh my
Oh
god.
shit.
Dude, you alright?
What do you mean?
Are you okay?
What is
Can
he
you tell your
doing?
bird? Is he on his he's on your mic.
I have no idea what he's doing. I'm on
Dude,
Discord. I'm on Discord
they're-
right now.
They're
And,
ruining you're ruining your HyperX's.
I think, yeah, that's my Discord. I have your Discord.
Why'd you give me your Discord?
So you can have me on Discord.
Here, I'll add you, man.
He's trying so hard to get onto there.